There's my press brake that I just about, I found that these up right here, I'm going to have to cut off because they hit this bar. Or unless I make an extension for here. So I just tilted it out so it's like out from the bar. I'm just trying to see if anything works here. First time that I tried it. Well, it seems to be bending anyway. I think that's probably all the way. I don't know if it's lost the reach of the jack or if I'm all the way 90. All the way to the bottom. No, I don't know. We'll see. We'll take it out of here. Problem here is this is a little tight. I'm gonna do some grinding on these because this is kind of stuck in there. We'll have to pry it up. I gotta maybe put some springs on it too. Okay, well we'll see what we got here. I can't get this out right. Maybe I can